I would like to know what your favourite colour combination is for a graffiti piece, or what is your favourite piece that you've ever painted in terms of the colour choice that you picked. Is it a combination of good contrasts with a bunch of colours that fade well together? I don't know. Drop in the comment section. Let me know what you think. And if you haven't subscribed already, then please do subscribe. So there we go, that is it for this video. Tell me what your favourite colour combination is, like I asked at the beginning of this video. I particularly like this colour combo, grey and red. Contrast works well. So yeah, I don't know, purple and grey, that's a good one. Blue and grey. Grey works well with a lot of different colours, it's quite neutral. But yeah, tell me your favourite fades, your favourite colour contrasts, and yeah, please give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.